Well, good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. As you saw today, the day started very early. Everyone was half asleep, knocked out on the bus. It was about an hour and a half's journey. Do you want to tell me what we're doing today? Bro. Yeah, everyone's shattered.
We are river rafting.
River rafting. The views here are beautiful as you just saw. Breakfast was on the house. I have no idea what these are. Got some olives in there, got some cucumber, got some cheese, whatever, got some bread as well. You got tea?
Yeah, it's mine. Don't touch it.
Is it any good?
Holy bola.
They're nice.
Alive now.
Yeah, after yesterday, we got the massages done. I'm not gonna lie, everybody was so relaxed, so chill. We went for a stroll. Nothing really happened, so I didn't record. We ended up going to the beach where we were last time with the, what's it called? With the bean bags, the lights, and the live singer, and some shisha as well. So we just chilled there. Nothing really happened after that. Everyone came out, everyone was tired from obviously being at the aqua park. So I kind of didn't vlog much from there, but obviously today we had an early start, everyone's shattered, you know, mood's a bit down. Everyone's tired. Kuch bol na. Tipu, you awake yet? Isko pan khana mil gaya na. Everyone's obviously just energizing. We've got flies everywhere going over my food. We're gonna eat now and then continue with the day. I will be switching over to the GoPro later on, so bear with me with the quality and whatnot. And hopefully I've got enough battery to last me the whole day. Apparently we'll be here till 8:30 in the evening. Apparently. So whether that's true or not, we'll see. Then I've got another hour and a half journey back to our village. So anyways, let me eat up and then we can take it from there.
Wait, hold on, start now.
So basically, I'll just come here. First of all, I can't take my GoPro on the boat. Second of all, if I want video footage, I've got to pay them. And then thirdly, then I'll just sit in a certain boat, which is going to be with the cameraman. So I don't get to enjoy the whole event with these guys. So I'm going to put the vlog camera away, put my GoPro away as well, maybe recording anything. And I'll catch up with you guys after the experience and I'll tell you how it was.
Give it to the people, bro. Give it to the people. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And just to get you guys know, these are the boats we'll be on. Because Akib's pissed off, I'll just take over for a while. And a tractor.
Right, so we just got back from, what was it? Rafting, and they provide us with food, which is here. But the review of today shall come later. Let me eat and then we'll have a full-on conversation. Right, let's dig in. Right guys, so I've now come back from river rafting and everyone's got changed, dressed up nice, smelling good, feel fresh, the hair's all washed out as well. But we've come to spot called Livardi restaurant. Can you see that? No, you can't see it. Let me get closer for y'all. Yeah, there you go. We've come to Livardi restaurant. Zia saw this on the way up from the rafting when we were getting dropped off. This is the way that we came up. So we've got a few of them here already. How did you find river rafting?
Drove past it.
No, I just said that you drove past this, but how did you find the actual activity?
Oh, today?
Yeah, it's tiring. How did you lot find river rafting?
Really good. But the journey was very, very
picture chick lag gaya. Oi. The only problem that we had is obviously we put it through Alibaba. He said what did he say to us? It's going to be an hour and a half. The journey to the actual location was about 2 hours. Exactly. 2 hours were gone there. Bearing in mind, our pickup was at 7:15, so we had to make sure that we were up and ready to go by 7. We got dropped off at, I think this is the other guys which are pulling in now. So obviously it's an early start, woke up at 7, pickup was 7:15, took us 2 hours to get there. Once we got there, we then had a 10-minute boat journey from one place over the lake to another. On top of that, we then had another hour journey to the top of the mountain where the actual river rafting started. And then once we got to the bottom, when the activity was over, we then had 1 hour journey back and then another 2 hour journey. You're right. You're right there, mate.
It's actually going viral.
And we had a 2 hour journey on the way back. Now when this was actually originally sold to us, all they said was it's going to take an hour and a half to get there, and then the activity will last all day. I think everybody was excited for the actual activity itself, but what happened, because of the journey and the duration of it, it just killed everyone. So if I was to recommend it, personally, if you're coming for a holiday and you're trying to relax, etc., the last thing you want to be doing is spending most of the day in a car.
You showed him your outfit yet?
What?
You showed him how good you look yet?
What do you mean?
No.
What do you mean?
Nah, come on, G. Here he is. Man's wearing his Ralphie shirt. Easy. Sounds the belt. Nice. What brand is that?
Where you going, mate?
What brand is that? Hugo Boss, you know. And then man's got his loafers out. Come on, do catwalk. Do catwalk. Do catwalk.
Wait. Madala, go on. What do you think of the activity today?
Oh, it's long, isn't it?
I said to him.
Itself is alright.
Exactly. So the activity itself lasted how many hours? Would you say? 1.5 hours. But it's the journey which killed everybody.
3.5 hour journey each way.
Each way, yeah. So what? 6 hours altogether. Exactly. So as I mentioned, that's the only thing that we would say is the only reason why we wouldn't recommend it. Unless you're close to the location, it's not a problem. But if you're spending most of the day in the car, you've come on holiday, the last thing you want to do is spend it in the car, traveling.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow is paragliding, yeah. We met somebody and they said that obviously they showed pictures and how it's all done, so she's given us the heads up and it looks amazing. The pictures, the video, the quality, everything, the takeoff, the landing. So everyone's excited for that. But these are currently getting pictures taken. Yeah, we're gonna head in, have some more food and see what happens from there. How you finding the holiday, bro? Enjoying it? Good?
Nice.
Good people, good vibes, good food. What more do you want?
Good vibe, good food, good place. Aludenis, everyone come here, man.
And don't go river rafting.
Don't go in. Stay home, go in the swimming pool and buy
Oh yeah. Also, what happened was when we were done with the actual activity itself, on the way back our bus broke down, so that added another extra hour. So we were on the road 3 hours going, hour and a half. So it was 3 hours getting to the location, and then 3 hours coming back, plus the hour and a half, which was great because they had to repair the. How you finding the holiday? What could you ball now?
Why should you ask him if they didn't open?
See, he just naturally knows.
As soon as the flash comes on, he poses. Jeez!
Like, you're vain beep, vain beep. No, we're not. It's only that guy over there.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
I've got Burhan's bag on me. It's a perfect accessory. Right guys, so we just finished with our meal.
Banging.
Was it though? Right, I won't leave a comment on the food. Obviously everybody was hungry.
Just leave a comment on TripAdvisor.
We ate, but right, we're just gonna wait for taxi now. But I think that's it for today. Obviously I wasn't able to shoot the what's it called? The rafting itself because they didn't allow GoPros to go on. They just didn't allow it. They didn't give me a reason to why exactly. When I went there, the thing is, the people who we were doing it with, they weren't allowing it, whereas other groups, they were allowing it, so it's a bit of an iffy one. I don't know what happened. But anyways, I'm going to call the vlog here now and then take it for tomorrow. Tomorrow, obviously, we're going paragliding.
Helping you, man.
I'm joking. Anyway, tomorrow we're going to go paragliding and take it from there. Hopefully they will allow the GoPro situation and take it.
I'll do you intro.
You do mine tomorrow? TK. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow.